Good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, that's the wheeled 914 excavator 3-arm. Now it's all ready. So missing a few parts for decoration. Later I will put on to show you. So now let's see the outlooking with right side door can open. That's the hydraulic station. And here from the hydraulic station, you will see that's the cooler copper one with fan blowing, oil tank with pump and the motor here pump inside. Here that's pressure valve, pressure gauge, oil level. And from here, this position, you will see 4-channel valve, 4 servo here. And bottom there is one more valve. It's not in use. It's only for passing oil directly from pump go to chassis. For chassis leg, board this blade, and also the stopper, this push pin for stopping the axle rolling. So chassis is 3 valves, upper body 4 valves. So here that's the supporting bar, down, up, and locking directly supporting. And for the cover, here you will see, here it's a net. So inside the air from cooler blew out, air coming out, circulating for better cooling effect. And the rotation outside, from a cabin side, cabin door can be open. And inside the screen with LED, actually it's really is only showing the battery voltage. Others it's 0. Battery voltage. And here cover open, we got power main switch and the LED board connections for powering on all the LED. And on the cabin, actually we have 3 warning lights. One is rear side cabin, and these 2 combining together, different light, all coming from this plug for these 2. And they are lightening same time. Sorry. And they are lightening same time changing off and changing different flashing mode, same time, 1-channel control. And for these 2 GPS, actually they are only decoration. The wires, no connection, and no LED inside. It's only decoration with a steel bar, plastic top. So from here, we can see this angle. We got the cooler fan here blowing air, and that's the valve block. And from valve block, oil hose going down for big arm, going up for middle arm. For small arm and bucket. Middle arm bottom also this hose is coming from left side and right side going to the middle arm. These 2. So I will put it as standard. Later, 3 parts will be added to it. Cabin forward metal fans will put. And here, rear side, I will put 2 more white LED. And here, I will put 1 steel plate for covering up. Here we have 3 parts here, 2 LED, steel plate here, cabin forward fans. In my another video, I will show you after add photos I will send how it's looking like. And here on top, actually, down there, that's all the ESC electronics. Top have 2 fans blowing air in for cooling. And here, this one plastic is secured by magnet. And later, the steel bar will be adding cooling from here. In the rear side, we have rear side cover. We have the LED, white lights. This one I will put back. So rear side cover, we can directly pull out, lights out. That's magnetic secure for powering the lights. Pull out. It's secured with pin here, push in. So after in position, big magnet secure in position. And here that's the quick connection push in contact for power supply for the LED. And later, here on top I will add 2 white LED will be connecting here. Already have the port for powering on LED. Here we have the 3S battery, XT30 connection. That's the battery chamber. So wire side should be at the left. So here I have a little space for the covering on, wires push on top. Here this position you more easily to see all steel valve mechanical curve open valve. So even though have the good radio for missing control, the valve opening curve, you still have smooth operation because it's already mechanical open valve channel. Literally slowly increase open channel for oil passing through. So for the chassis here, we got these steel stairs, and mostly this chassis, they are all steel plate welding parts. For upper body, the cabin, the side cover, they are CNC alloy. The main frame, arms, they are also steel plate welding parts. And here at the forward of the arm, here we have the manual connection at this position. That's manually open pin for locking the bucket. So this pin pushing back, it will be using a tool, it's more easier to pushing back. So unlock, locking, unlock. That's the bucket and lock it back in position. Let's move the big arm, middle arm. You will see middle cylinder for middle arm, bottom 2 cylinder for big arm, and top 1 cylinder for small arm, and this cylinder for the bucket. So let's come into the chassis. Chassis have 3 valves, one for the blade, 2 cylinder pushing, and with the copper pipe, painting silver color, and also have the protection steel bar. So it's all secure to this all steel chassis. Forward put a hook, also rear side have a hook. These 2 hooks, same connection actually, you can exchange. For this put forward and forward put back, you can exchange them as you like. Same for both. And for here on the axle, you will see that's 2 cylinder here, 1 valve control. That's for the axle anti-healing. Now can rolling left and right. If the pin pushing down, it will be locked. Now lock it. The pin pushing down, valve closed. So now cannot rolling it. The axle is fixed. And unlocking. 4 mud guards are plastic, secured by steel bar to the axle directly. And all these 2 axles, they are CNC alloy one, with inside steel turning shaft. So front, this axle is for steering. Lift up, you will see from bottom here how it's turning. For rear side supporting leg, 2 cylinder. So moving down. And here also have the protecting plate. Yeah, very beautiful designing. And here we got the rear side hook, open, close, and free rotation. So now let's turn over. We will see the chassis, and let's first steering. We will see there we got the steering servo. I will hold it. And here from this position, it would be more easier to see. That's the turning axle shaft connecting to the hub. And drive it. Yeah, because now it's not turning. Yeah, I will lock the differential lock. See how it's smoothly turning with high torque. Now it's 4x4, yeah, and at the differential, you will see we have the differential lock at 2 axle. Now this one, you can see how it's turning. Unlock it, it's released. Turning a little, drive a little, it's released. Now at the differential. Here the gearbox very quietly, smoothly turning. It's a brushed motor with steel gearbox, then CNC alloy transfer case to forward CVT drive shaft and to rear. let's see the parts. So we got here, that's the ESC for the drive motor. Second receiver here. And here, that's the 3 steel valve block. One for blade, one for legs, one for this axle lock anti-healing. And because each cylinder, it is with double cylinder. Yeah, each function double cylinder. So from valve coming out will be distribution. Each hose distribute to 2 holes. And here we got this servo. I will move it now. That's for differential lock, unlock, lock it. So you will see each wheel are double wheel with CNC alloy hubs, and the front axle is free turning, rolling. Rear axle is fixed to the steel frame, so no rolling. And let's put it down and drive it around. This one got the light system, rotation light with sound system. Now let's start the sound. So first receiver for upper body control, the receiver is under the cabin. Turning, full speed. It's only drive motor to gear reduction box and no shifting gear, yeah. So speed only controlled by the stick, how much you push. Those slowly and pushing more slowly increase the speed, yeah. No shifting. And now let's support and do the digging. So blade up, down, hydraulic sound, yeah, and legs. All the way rotation, slowly. You can see how accurate it is. Very slowly speed up, full speed. All the way up. That's top position. Reaching forward, backward. And middle arm down, all the way down. That's all the way down, yeah. Middle arm up. On, off, engine sound off. All good. So that's all for now, all the details. And after I get the 3 different parts assembled, I will make more video shows. And to dig in, to have fun, more videos will come. See you.